Nightmare 1. The Curse of the Clones. When you've created an assembly of shared copies, but you want to free one from its cloned existence, for MIDI, freedom awaits in the Edit menu, Functions, Convert to Real Copy. For audio, the key lies in control-clicking on Mac or right-clicking on PC and choosing Convert to Real Copy. You can now modify this part separately from the others. Nightmare 2. Lost Souls. Imagine this. Your computer just crashed while you were working on your next musical masterpiece. And now you find yourself in a most dreadful panic, unsure of when you last saved the project. Well, to minimize the risk of losing your art, go to Settings. And in general, reduce the autosave interval. And remember, Command or Control S is still your best friend. Nightmare 3. Zombie Apocalypse. When you import audio and it sounds something like this.
Let's boogie boogie, let's party tonight.
And even though I must admit, I quite like it. If you don't, you can probably fix it by checking the sample rate of your project. And then in the pool window, find your audio file, right-click it, convert files, and change the sample rate to that of your project. Just like that, the zombies should be gone. For now. Nightmare 4. Ghost Automation. Are you hearing all kinds of strange things on a track that aren't supposed to be there? Don't be frightened. Just check for any hidden automation by clicking this plus, or by right-clicking on the track and choosing Show Used Automation. To remove an automation lane, click on the parameter and choose Remove Parameter. Nightmare 5. Poltergeist plugins. When completely out of nowhere, or maybe by your own doing, a plugin decides to change its settings, you can always go to your mix console to verify what's been going on. Open the left zone, go to History, and here you'll find all changes that were made in your plugins. You can click to travel back and forth in time, or you can use shortcuts, Option or Alt-Z and Shift Option or Alt-Z. And so most of your Cubase nightmares should be laid to rest. Until the next session.
Who the fuck was that?